What is aging? Understanding the science behind it. Hi there. Today, let's talk about a topic that's as universal as life itself: aging. We've all experienced it in some way. Maybe your knees don't feel the same as they did 10 years ago, or you've noticed a new wrinkle while brushing your teeth. But have you ever stopped to ask, why do we age? By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of aging, not as something to fear, but as an incredible process influenced by science, lifestyle, and even your daily habits. Curious? Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is aging? Aging is the gradual process of change over time. It's why babies grow into teenagers, adults, and eventually seniors. But more than just wrinkles, gray hair, or slower reflexes, aging starts deep within your body, at the cellular and molecular level. Think of your body as a bustling city. Your cells are like its hardworking citizens. They work tirelessly to keep everything running smoothly. The roads your blood travels through, the buildings that form your tissues, and even the electric grid that powers your brain. But over time, these citizens get worn out. They don't work as quickly or efficiently, and that's when signs of aging start to appear. In this video, we'll explore key players in the aging story: your cells, telomeres, oxidative stress, DNA damage, and how genetics, your lifestyle, and even the environment shape this process. Let's start with cellular aging. Just like workers in a factory, your cells are constantly dividing and repairing to keep your body functioning. But there's a catch. They can't do this forever. Over time, cells get old and enter a state called cellular senescence, which is just a fancy way of saying they stop dividing. It's a bit like when a factory worker retires, they're no longer on the floor producing goods. Imagine if too many workers retired at once. Production would slow down, and eventually it would impact the whole factory. That's aging in your body. What's fascinating is that this slowdown happens naturally for everyone, but the pace can differ depending on your health, habits, and even stress levels. Now let's talk about telomeres, one of the coolest parts of the aging process. Have you ever seen the plastic tips at the ends of shoelaces? Well, telomeres are like those tips, but for your DNA. Your DNA is tightly packed into little structures called chromosomes. At the ends of those chromosomes sit telomeres, protecting your genetic information during cell division. But here's the tricky part. Every time a cell divides, its telomeres get a little shorter. Eventually, they become so short that the cell can't divide anymore. Think of it like having a roll of tape that gets used up with every use. When the tape runs out, the roll is useless, just like a cell with no telomere protection. Research even shows that stress, smoking, poor diet, and lack of exercise can speed up telomere shortening. Ever heard someone say that stress is aging them faster? Well, there's science to back that up. Now onto another key culprit: oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when your body cells face damage from unstable molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are like tiny bandits that attack your cells. A relatable way to think about oxidative stress is to picture metal exposed to rain. Over time, it rusts, right? Well, our cells can rust too when exposed to too many free radicals. This rusting process contributes to aging. Where do free radicals come from? Some are produced naturally in your body, while others come from external sources such as smoking, pollution, or even unhealthy junk food. The good news? Your body has its own defense system in the form of antioxidants. Antioxidants are like superheroes, zapping free radicals before they can cause harm. You can boost your antioxidant levels by eating foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens. Maybe that's why you've heard people say blueberries are a superfood. They're real cell savers. Let's move on to another key part of aging: DNA damage. Your DNA is essentially the instruction manual for your body, telling every cell what to do. But as we age, this manual starts to gather typos. Why does this happen? Over time, things like free radicals, environmental toxins, or plain old wear and tear can cause tiny breaks in your DNA strands. When cells copy this flawed DNA during division, those errors build up, and the cell may stop functioning correctly or even die. To put it simply, having DNA damage is like trying to bake a cake with a recipe full of missing steps and incorrect measurements. It's not going to turn out well. Unfortunately, significant DNA damage is also linked to aging-related diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. That's why protecting your cells from unnecessary harm, like avoiding smoking or prolonged exposure to UV rays, is crucial. So, you might be wondering, how much of this aging process is pre-written in my DNA? The answer, genetics certainly plays a part, but it's not the full story. Think of your genetics like the blueprint for a house. It sets the foundation, but how you decorate and maintain the house, that's up to you. Lifestyle choices like eating healthy, exercising, and managing stress can make a big difference. For example, regular physical activity doesn't just keep you fit, it keeps your cells healthier for longer. Exercise enhances the production of proteins that repair damaged cells, so it's like pressing a refresh button on your body. Your environment also matters. Pollution, UV exposure, and even where you live can affect how quickly your cells age. It's like your house being exposed to heavy storms without proper roofing. It wears out faster than one in a calm area. That said, it's never too late to make small changes that have a positive impact on your aging process. Now here's the big question. Can we slow down aging? While we can't stop it altogether, there are things you can do to keep your body healthier as it ages. 1. Eat a varied, balanced diet rich in antioxidants. Think plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Get regular exercise to keep not just your body strong but your cells active and functional. What is aging? Understanding the science behind its sleep. Yes, getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night gives your body time to repair DNA and fight oxidative stress. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress accelerates telomere shortening, so make time for relaxation and activities you love. What is aging? Understanding the science behind its science is also working on exciting breakthroughs to slow the clock. Anti-aging research is exploring everything from supplements to gene editing, but for now, good old-fashioned healthy habits are your best bet. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reframe how we think about aging. It's easy to focus on the negatives, the wrinkles, the slowing metabolism, but aging isn't just about decline. It's also about growth. As you age, you gain wisdom, experience, and memories. You find deeper connections with others and, hopefully, with yourself. Science helps us understand the process better, and yes, we can take steps to slow certain aspects of it. But ultimately, aging is something we all share. It's what makes us human. Instead of fearing it, let's embrace it. After all, life is a beautiful process, no matter the stage. If you have enjoyed this video, you can watch our next video about why do we age? Theories of aging explained. This video will help you understand aging and be at a better position to age gracefully. So there you have it, aging explained from the inside out. We've journeyed through cellular aging, telomeres, oxidative stress, and the roles your genetics, lifestyle, and environment play. The choices you make today, what you eat, how you sleep, and how you treat your body, can make a big difference tomorrow. Aging is fascinating, complex, and, above all, inevitable, but that's what makes it so special. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video. I hope you learned something new and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content like this. And remember, aging isn't just a journey. It's your journey. See you next time.